guys, it's me, Louisiana Stereo, fanning and Amtrak's coming. I might sound a little different today because I'm wearing my costume. Let me see if y'all can see it right now. Hopefully y'all saw that. Oh my gosh! That's definitely Amtrak 174, special interest engine. It looks like a phase 7, but I heard that horn before. I remember it. It's definitely 174. Yep, Amtrak. Nice engine. And forgot to say this. Happy Halloween, everyone. Happy Halloween. Amtrak's coming. Yep, Amtrak. Number 174.48. Going kind of slow today. Kind of a quiet horn. Kind of normal besides the engine. Well, yeah, guys. For right now, that's it. But I'll see y'all next time I'll cut. Yeah. Hello, guys. I'm back. Well, I don't know if it's gonna sound weird right now. I already hear horns now. I already have 3 horns now. Horns yelling. Jingle bell! Yep, Amtrak, number 134.48. Backwards engine 48, actually. Yep. Yep. That's it. See you next time. Yeah, see you next time. Happy Halloween.